Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to put your twin signals on in Assetto Corsa, putting your sunroofs up or opening your doors in Assetto Corsa. So what you're going to be using is Content Manager for Assetto Corsa. Once you're in Content Manager, you're going to head to Settings. Then you're going to be choosing Assetto Corsa. Afterwards, you're going to be choosing Controls. And then this big menu is gonna pop up. Here you can see there's a big selection of options. For example, you have left turn signal here, and hazards and wipers. So we're gonna be looking at this car menu, all these options. So you got your turn signals, your hazards, your wipers, your telltale, your high and low beams, and your extra options. So it's pretty simple. You just bind the turn signal to your left arrow or whatever you want, or on your wheel or controller, whatever you have. So that's simple. To, for example, open your sunroof. I know it's on the Golf R. It's one of these options. So this is the default bindings, numpad 7, 8, 9 and the plus key. So that gives some options on some mods. It's not on all mods, so only a few, I think, yeah. So once you've binded your key to the wanted option, you're just gonna head to drive. Then you're just gonna load up a normal track. I'll do practice, and I'm gonna choose the Golf R because that has some of the options we need. So we're just gonna start race. Just let it load. So once we're in, we can do this now. As you can see, there's a sunroof here. When I press my numlock 9, the lights come up here in the middle. Once I press my plus key, you can see the sunroof goes up. You can also see it from the outside. The sunroof closes and opens. We also have hazard lights, which I bind it to my wheel. And we got these lights on the back. I don't know what they're called, but here we have them. And also in the front. So that's simple. Here we have an example of the Audi RX6. It's also a great quality mod, so it has the options we need. First of all, we have blinkers, both left and right. We also have these small lights in the on the bumper, and then we got an option that opens the doors and the hood. Pretty nice. As I said, it's not all the mods that have these options. It's possible that you only get them on high quality mods. So for example, when you have a low quality mod, it's possible that you don't get these exact options. It depends on car to car. It's also up to the mod maker. So that's my tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching, and remember to comment down below if you have some questions. And thanks for watching again. See ya.